So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Neerav Chawla. So guys, today I'm going to tell you how to install PUBG mobile Korean version in your device. So guys, you have to install a app tap. Then you have to type PUBG. So guys, you have to download this one, PUBG KR version. So guys, there will be a downloading option in your device. I have already downloaded, so there is not an option. So then guys, you have to install a app Solo VPN. Then you have to connect to South Korean server and you can play PUBG easily with no lags. It will work perfectly.